Hi all, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing the continuation of the previous video because the Spark, the DataHub Coalesce functionality, right? How it affected the lineage and how it become more clumsy or not more. It's not they're not in a readable format, right? I'll be showing. Okay, let me start the IntelliJ. Let me do the same thing. I'll just change the functionality. Coalesce. I'll make it go. First one. Okay. Sorry. Here, let's see. Let's go. I'll make the same as flow name also, and I'll make it as the true. Okay, classes. I'll make it as false actually initially. Okay, false lineage demo. It I'll be writing into one false one. I'll write it, and I'll read from there, and again I'll write into another one. So okay, okay. What I'm doing, have created a data frame in fly 1 to 1000 records and to repartition into 100, and I'm writing this into the final output, and that output I'm again reading and writing into another file. Okay, let's see if our lineage is working fine or not. The close notation to the hub. Okay, fine. Let me run then. Our job completed. Let's go and save in the UI. Okay, I'm in the data portal. Let's see the Coalesce false the pipeline properties local same app name task multiple because of college we made us Coalesce we made us false multiple task has been committed the picture two right has been there. Let me open any right false time run ID status everything is there. Final output you don't have input here because it's reading from my in-memory data frame. I'll show you that in-memory data frame whether the lineage will be getting captured in another video. Okay, now if I click on the lineage you can see this one. Okay, lineage right this one. Okay, and again I'm writing another data frame lineage. Okay, so here we have right the lineage. Yeah, if you open the lineage see again the all task everything properly comes, and the lineage also we can see when we made the um, Coalesce is equal to false. Okay, Coalesce job is equal to false. Okay, now let me run with the same job for the Coalesce is equal to true. I'll show you. If Coalesce is equal to true, I made it actually true one, everything the same. It's true, true, true. Another data set is getting written. Okay, job completed. Let me go and see. Now let me open another window. Mm, Coalesce is equal to true. Task. Here we can see only one task only came because the independent information, right? Whatever the information we have here, Everything is combined in a single one. Okay? Yeah, one task only. That is not a correct way, right? Actually, we needed how many actions we called. Those many actions should be reflected in the DataHub UI also. That is a correct thing. Okay. And if we click here, when Coalesce is equal to true, runs, see, you can see is a clumsy output comes here. See, we cannot able to read what exactly happening. Let me go to the lineage, open anything, let the lineage. Okay. See, let me open the column. Title. Okay, everything. Yeah. So the final ID comes from the ID column, and these ID columns, right? The ID column. This is the ID column we created here. From here only it loaded into here. And thousands of here we could see around 100 part file has been created. Okay, and if you click here, you can see view details. One second. One upstream, one downstream. This lineage demo. Here you could see the particular task 101 upstream. We don't have 101 upstream here, two downstream. Because this part file also somehow it's coming into the emission. Okay. And we are not getting a proper value also. When part file also giving a proper output, would have given see some value. We don't have any meaningful value. There are 100,000 part files are there, but consider like that in a real world, Hadoop or any running. Here we are not creating much runtime part file or something, right? So only one part file is getting created and we are showing. Consider this in a real world, we will not be able to backtrack. This file also will be 1,000, this file also will be 1,000, so everything will be 1,000 or something. Okay, more partition will be there. So this output, this lineage will be more clumsy and we won't be able to see any meaningful information. Okay, but it has one disadvantage here actually. This if you again if you again see this one, right? What you call backside, if I can see, yeah. This one only have value, okay? No meaningful information. And same way, if you go here, we can see when Coalesce is equal to false, four tasks, two tasks has been launched and two data set has been created. But one problem here we could see the in-memory data frame, what we initially created, don't represent here. Okay. Yeah. This is the one, and I think you guys understood what exactly both the difference between both Coalesce is equal to true and false. Thank you.